Hi, I'm Mark from Podstar, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your Podstar grinder. Okay, so in your Podstar grinder set, you'll get the base and you'll get the handle, but it needs to be adjusted. So let's start by having a look around the Podstar grinder. At the top is where you put the beans in for grinding. And if you pull the two sections apart, the base is where the coffee's collected and this is where the adjustment knob is. So let's just put down the second half of the base there, and we're just going to adjust the grinder. So we'll put the handle on. What I like to do is just put my finger under the handle like this to stop it moving, and adjust the knob clockwise. So you're sort of tightening it up. As you're tightening it up, just turn it a little bit and you'll feel it slowly starting to catch. The burr grinder will be pressured together. When it just starts to catch, which is what it's doing now, you can feel it's getting a little bit tighter. Not overly tight, but a little bit tighter. I would take it back one revolution counterclockwise, the knob. So just take note where one of the points is on the knob and just pull it right back one whole revolution. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to adjust this, so it'll probably take a couple of times to adjust it correctly. Put the base back on. Just take the handle off, get the top off, and put in 2.5 scoops of beans. That's about enough for one pod, to fill one pod. And then you just start grinding. Okay, so I think that's all done. Let's just check. Take the handle off, take the top off. You can see there's no beans left. So pull apart the two sections. While I'm doing that, I'll just warm up the machine. And you'll see there's a nice amount of coffee in there. So let's just take a pod. Now I usually put it into a small dish, mainly because I'm going to pour the coffee into the base of the pod. Right? You get the bulk of it first using the scoop. It's just so the base, the white dish here is just so you can catch the extra grinds just in case they go over the edge. Now you want to pack it down, but you don't want to pack it too tight. And I'll just run the base of the scoop over the top, grab the lid, put it on, and we'll put it into the machine. You can see this one's running a little bit fast, which will probably give you too much of a watery coffee. So we just need to readjust that a little bit more, tighten it up to give a slightly finer grind. But it's not a bad coffee, but we can do better. So let's go back to the grinder and again put the handle back on, reposition your finger, and then this time we will tighten it up slightly, like half a revolution. Just get rid of that excess coffee. Just put the base back on, take the top off, put in 2.5 scoops. Lid back on, handle, and start grinding. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's just check. Yep, the beans are gone. Just going to get rid of that excess coffee. Don't want to mix it in with the new grind. Grab another pod. grab your scoop. Again, just pour it in. And you want a sort of similar consistency pressure that you did on the last pod. Again, just level it off. Grab the lid. I'm just going to place this in the machine. This is almost perfect. That's about how you want it to run. Not dripping, but constant sort of pressure, but you can see there's a really nice creme on this one. So there you have it. So there's a really nice coffee with a great crema. Using fresh coffee actually gives you better crema than coffee that's already been ground. So if you're looking for a great creme, consider grinding your own.